What's up guys? This is a video for those of you who have the Bluetooth module and want to know how to connect the phone, especially in this case we're going to talk about the iPhone with iOS 11 and beyond, to your Beamer. Okay, so the first rule is that obviously if you don't have your Bluetooth module on your car, and that is easy to find because when you go here in menu you'll have phone. So now my phone, I have an iPhone 6 here, it's connected to the car. The neat thing and the most important thing is that whenever I get into the car and I have my Bluetooth on, it automatically connects in almost 1 minute to the car, and every time I get a phone call or I want to call someone, it shows on the screen and it rings in the speakers. So yeah, that is a big plus. Okay, so let's go here into settings, let's go into Bluetooth, and after that we'll erase BMW, my car, forget this device. Okay, so we can start from scratch, and here we have allow new connection. It is very important on new iOS's, and we'll give it a click here. Let's go into the cars menu. First of all, you have to have your engine on, so this is pretty important, and we'll go here into phone. So here it says that it is unable to connect because no Bluetooth devices have been paired. So now let's go to the pairing process. You have here your Bluetooth on your phone, and here you have the Bluetooth devices, and you're gonna click OK on the button. And now it says here, this is my last phone, this was on Android I think, and now we're gonna add a new device. Okay, so now after adding a new device, it says here, please refer the video. Okay, you can read it on your own. So what is important for you to know is that this is 35448. That's the car's name on your list. So on your new devices, this will go here as BMW 35448 in my case. Okay, so on other devices here, on searching, you see that my car just appeared. I'm gonna click on it, and now on the screen here it says it's asking me to insert a key. So I'll go like 4 ones. So 1 1 1 1, and then click OK. And now on the phone, the same process, 4 by 1s, and hit pair. And after that, checking the pass key is checking on the car, and here it says that it wants to allow new connection, and I'm hitting OK. And now it's connecting. It says here connected raw. My phone name is raw. So if you go up here on my devices, you'll find that I hope it doesn't have glare. It says here connected, and if you click OK on it, you have some options. You can sync all contacts, or if you have a phone that's on your friend and it comes with you on a ride. By the way, you have to know that this module supports only 3 or 5 connected devices at once. So if you have friends with you in the car on a long drive and they want to connect their phone or your wife's phone to your car, you're better off leaving sync contacts off. And leaving this off, you'll use it only to answer on and off calls, and not have to wait to import all your car's memory. So you can import your recent phones, your favorites, and all of your contacts. So because this is my main driver, I leave them all on. Now we are connected, and how do we know that we are connected? Here on the top right side you have the phone's name, it says raw, and near to that it has a signal bar. So we'll go outside, we're gonna go outside, and still you have the signal bar. Wherever you are in the menu, you'll find that signal bar. Here in the nav menu, it's way simpler on that. On the right corner, upper right corner, you'll see the signal power bar, and right on it, it is a circle, a waiting circle. You know that when that circle appears, all your contacts are being imported in your car's memory. So you have to wait, because if you want to call someone from your contact list, you can call them only, they will appear only in the Bluetooth menu. You can access it via menu and then telephone, or via pressing the phone's dedicated button on the steering wheel. So on my redial numbers, there are none because I just pair my phone. If you go here on the left, you have active calls. If you are in a call, it will show after calls. Phone book, it's pretty simple. Receive calls, dial, and Bluetooth menu again for verifying that you have the devices paired, and add a new device. As I told you, think you can support 5 phones at once, and I think the NBT model, the newer iDrive models, it can support a lot more of them, but you don't need them because in the newer iDrive models you have Apple CarPlay, and it is pretty simple to use that. It's more simple than using this Bluetooth menu, I think. So a cool trick that I have found, and it is really useful. But first let's wait for that circle to disappear so that all of our contacts will be there. I think it's going that long because this is a new pair and I have over, I don't know, 300 contacts in my SIM. So yeah, it's taking a while. But in normal usage, you don't have to wait that long. A cool trick when your phone is connected to your iDrive is that you can use Siri. Call, I don't know, whoever you want.
I don't see Waverly in your contacts. Should I look for locations by that name?
Yes. So as you can see, I'm using Siri over my speaker system. So yeah, that's about it. You have seen that it works pretty good, and it really works if you say your names right. I didn't want to go into my contacts because they are not important, and I don't know why it's taking that much time. But when that circle disappears, you're all good. So yeah, and if you leave your Bluetooth on your phone, a neat trick on your iOS 11, you have to know that when you click Bluetooth off, disconnecting Bluetooth devices until tomorrow up there. But that is not true, because now your Bluetooth is not off entirely. It's only on standby, because if I'll shut the car, go outside and then enter my car, it will go automatically on and connect to my car again. So now it disappeared. Yeah, it disappeared, but look closely. If I click it once, it will automatically connect to the car without me doing anything. Let's wait. Yeah, and it's on. I didn't skip forward, I didn't cut the video. It's purely recorded as it happened. It's only 10 to 15 seconds. And as I know, this is the quickest time that I had other cars with Bluetooth adapters, and they're not working this well like in my e90 LCI. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, ask them below in the comments. Have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new videos to come.